Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to introduce a complete toolset that helps you warm up TikTok accounts and automatically post videos in bulk across multiple accounts. We'll use viral software to download short-form videos in bulk from platforms like Douyin, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. In this example, I'll choose Douyin and scan videos by a specific user. I've already prepared the user's link here. All you need to do is enter the number of videos and click scan. Getting the link is very simple. Just search for Douyin or any platform you want on Google. Copy the user link and paste it here. Once the scan is complete, the software will display a list of videos along with descriptions, likes, and comments. You can either save these videos to the video management system or download them directly to your computer. Personally, I usually download them to my computer. The software will automatically download all videos and save them to your selected folder. At this step, you have two options: post the videos immediately or edit them in bulk. Usually choose bulk editing to create more variation. And yes, these videos do not contain watermarks. I've already made a detailed video about this software and the bulk editing process, so feel free to check that out first. Now, let's move on to the main topic of today's video: how to warm up and manage TikTok accounts at scale and post videos in bulk. Currently, I'm running over 1,500 TikTok accounts, and all of them are working perfectly fine. Each account is assigned a different proxy, ensuring safety and stability. Inside the post section, you'll see multiple options: posting normal videos, posting videos with product links, scheduling post. Today, I'll focus on posting regular videos. Go to video configuration, select the folder that contains your videos, then add hashtags and descriptions. You can either write the description manually or import it from a file. Once everything is ready, click Save Configuration. Next, set how many videos each account will post, choose the visibility settings, and decide whether you want to enable actions like liking or commenting after posting. You can also schedule the posts if you want. After completing all the settings, simply click Start and the software will automatically handle everything for you. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.